Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. For your daily energies, Virgos, we are picking few cards. For your relationship, we'll be picking few more cards, guys, Virgos. So these are for your daily energies, Virgos. For your relationship, I'll be picking three more cards from another deck. So we will open these cards as we proceed into the reading, Virgos. So these are for your relationship, guys. So let's start with the daily energies first. For your situation, Virgo. So these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys. So it's Knight of Cups in reverse, Magician in reverse, and Six of Pentacles. So Virgos, with these cards in your situation today, guys, something is troubling you today. Maybe you have lot of mental stress, worries, maybe because of how things are in your career situation, or certain worries because of your personal life situation. Maybe some kind of illness may be the reason for this mental stress. So it may be the sickness, your sickness, or it may be someone from your family. So it is really worrying you, guys. For most of you, it may be something small, but still you are really worried. Maybe because it's someone close to you who is sick, guys. That may be the reason. And also, there are people in your career situation who are trying to really trick you, maybe trick you into some fraudulent schemes, maybe some work related decisions or choices. You need to be really careful, guys, when you are handling some important decisions involving finances. So there are people trying to trick you into some fraudulent activities, swindle your money, and they may they are quite what to say, they are not putting on their true face. So you may not know who it is, but you need to be really careful, guys, Virgos. That is what I see, guys. And also, you have uh, maybe it may be someone from your family or friends. You have someone coming with gifts and or coming to visit you, guys, all of a sudden. So you feel really happy, or certain things, there are sudden changes in the way things are going, maybe a sudden prosperity, abundance in some situation. But you need to understand that this sudden change, that should not be relied on, guys. Maybe it may be a sudden change in your work situation, maybe some announcement of a new project coming in, something which you did not do any work for, so which you did not make any efforts for. So that is coming towards you. You may feel happy today, but if you want to keep that in the same way, you need to work on it, and you should not just depend on luck. That is what I mean here. So you have to make in those efforts, whatever is needed to hold on to that abundance and prosperity in your situation, Virgos. So let's see what are these cards for your relationship, guys. It's Messenger of Air and Six of Air and Six of Fire. So with these cards in your relationship. This may mean that in your connection, maybe you should not go for that impulsive actions. Maybe in this circumstance, you may have some kind of anger or something stressing you, but you should not react immediately. You should respond in a much more mature way. So you have to think clearly, and based on that, you should respond differently each and every time. So, whatever is working for you, you should not respond the same way you were doing the last time if you want something positive to come out of this. So, maybe your way of thinking or your actions, whatever it is, whatever is the reason for some stress or some worries in your situation, you are changing that, guys. And this is the time for that change, coming in with that greater wisdom, calmness, and composure. And you are aware that you may have certain stressful situations in this love, and you are expecting certain things. Maybe you're expecting some arguments or some quarrels in this connection, but still you are facing it with that calmness and with that composure. If you do that, you are going to transform the situation. So maybe things may go differently, guys. So you may have this understanding, or this person has that understanding. So things will go differently this time when you have that change in the way you behave, change in the way you respond to your situation, guys. So there may be some unknown circumstance and unexpected circumstance in this connection, but whatever it is, you are uh, able to remain calm, find that balance, because you know what will work right for yourself and for this love. And also, you feel that in your heart of hearts, this person is inspiring you to change. So, each and every one of us, when we are deeply uh, connected to someone else, whatever they say and whatever they do has a great impact on us. So maybe in this love, maybe because of those arguments or quarrels, and you still love them, you want to change yourself. So in future things may change in a positive way. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Virgos, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.